The National Geographic Channel and a bunch of scientists got together, and 2 world-class balloon piloters launched a 16 by 16 foot house that's 18 feet tall with 308 foot colored balloons into the air, breaking a world record. It was inspired by the Disney movie Up. I think it's pretty cool. Other than it's a total waste of time, it's still pretty cool. You know, they just took the scientists right out of the lab. They said, let's forget about global warming, curing cancer, and starving children, and let's fly a house with balloons. This is just more proof on the overly entertained views of America. We've taken a Disney Pixar movie and devoted our scientists our time to recreating it just to do it, just for the hell of it. It didn't cure cancer, it didn't help anyone, it just was there for entertainment. But needless to say, it was pretty cool. You know, you can watch it on YouTube. I have a link right here to it. So right here where the fingers are, there should be an annotation to the link on YouTube about the flying house. Good job.